Hi there. Today we're taking a look at some home improvement tools from JNB Pro. The brand was nice enough to send me this product in exchange for an honest review. So let's get into some of the features. You can see this is their screwdriver bit magnetizer. It comes in 4 pieces. You can see it fits a standard 1/4-inch shank, so any of your normal driver bits, these are going to fit right on. If you look at the back here, you can see simple enough. Basically put it onto your driver bit, rub the inside a little bit, and magnetizes it. Rub the outside, and it's going to demagnetize that. Super helpful. Let's see how that works. All right, we've got the product out of the packaging. You can see it's quite small, but it's easy to handle and manage. 1/4-inch hex-shaped hole will fit in any normal 1/4-inch driver bits. I've got a normal driver bit right here. You can see the screw I've got here. It's not really wanting to pick it up, but it definitely wouldn't say that this is, hold a screw onto the end of it or anything. We take our magnetizer and stick it right onto there. You can see, rub it on a little bit on the inside. Now it wants to pick that right up. It'll pick it right up off the ground. This really works well if you're maybe like holding a bracket or trying to put in some fixtures or a shelf. You're going to be able to just pop that screw right in on the end of that bit, and it's going to hold securely right there until you can get it screwed in. Now when you're done with it, we want to kind of demagnetize this so that it's not going to collect a bunch of material. We rub the outside just like the instructions say, and you can see now it's barely wanting to pick this up. It's not picking it up off the ground like it was before. So great product, simple and easy to use, really nice and compact. Really like it. I hope this helps your buying decision. Thanks for watching.